Wow, this is very nice. Look at that. Nice little waterfall here. So it means I gotta climb down here, hopefully without landing in the water myself. Heading up to looks like it's a lookout over the water. That's neat. That's a heck of a drop. I've never been here, guys, so it's the first time seeing this. It's pretty nice looking. Very interesting. Appears to be the waterfall up ahead. But everywhere around is rock cliff faces. tracks up there on the bridge. Looks like they built up rocks here. And like water. I've been like that a long time. Back down from the falls. Back down the trail. There's a side path we'll check out. See if we can find it on the way back down. I seen it on the way up. Really popped this time of day. Nice and shaded in here. Time of year. Can't believe I lived near this place as long as I have and didn't know it existed. Short trail. All the scenery is right here. You don't have to go in very far. This is called Buttermilk Park. It's on a PA. I'll put the full name in the description. Something like that, though. This is the path that looks like it takes me on a rock face, on a ledge. Definitely want to be careful here. Goes to a dead end out there, so not nearly as high up here as I thought.